In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this material in less than 5 minutes. Let's create a UV sphere. Ctrl 3 to subdivide. Right-click and shade smooth to smooth the surface. Let's go to the Shading tab, and press the New button to add a new material. Shift-A will add a new node. Let's add the noise texture and color ramp nodes. This is a basic color ramp noise node that can be fully customized. Let's select both nodes and Shift-D to duplicate them like this. We need to add a math node like this. I'm using the default add as the math type, but please try multiply and other types as well. As we can see, now we have a layered material. Let's make it even more interesting by duplicating a color ramp node like this. We can apply new colors. Let's add the emission shader and mix it with the BSDF node. I'll change the render engine to Eevee, and activate Bloom. The node setup is now complete. We can fully customize the material any way we like in multiple layers. Here are the full nodes. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.